Right then, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. What we're going to cover this week is a recipe from the How Not to Diet cookbook, which is whole food plant-based. Been excited about covering this because it's an ingredient I've not ever tried before. Not about you. Tempeh, which is a fermented soya bean. Super excited. Often try tofu recipes and this seems a little bit more sophisticated, a little bit more matured. And the recipes I'm covering is the Szechuan, tempeh and broccoli, which is an Asian inspired recipe. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the marinated tempeh, and then the second part is going to be making the Szechuan sauce, and then we're going to have the stir-fried ingredients of all the vegetables, as you can see here. What you need here is 200 to 250 grams of your tempeh. I don't know how to say it. Tempeh. Good quality miso paste, garlic granules or powder, ginger powder, in this case I'm going to use some frozen ginger, cayenne pepper, raw organic apple cider vinegar. Don't forget to shake to get the mother from the bottom. The umami demi-glaze. Please do check out my recipe for this. It is a real flavour bomb this, but if you don't have it, just leave it out. The miso paste does add lots of flavour here. First of all, let's put these ingredients together. I'm just going to give this a shake. And it's only 1 tablespoon of this. I'm just going to add this into the bowl. 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. Half a teaspoon of the garlic granules. Just going to let that soak in. 1/4 teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. 2 tablespoons of the miso paste. And 1 tablespoon of the ginger. And what you're going to do here is just infuse that and make the paste. So once that's stirred through, got a nice little consistency here. I'm just going to pour this over the tempeh. So just going to put it and layer it over the top, and then I'm going to shake it. Look at that, that's absolutely brilliant. And what I'm going to do is put the lid over on top and shake it. Reminds me just a little bit of how Kirsty marinades hers. So if you want to see a real expert on how they marinate tofu, please do check out Kirsty Sunshine YouTube channel. Absolutely brilliant. This is now done. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to store this in the fridge for 1 to 2 days, ready to do the next stage. So, see you in 2 days. Right then, I'm back 3 days later and the tempeh has been marinating. It smells wonderful. All I'm going to do now is the second stage, which is basically making the sauce, but then also making the vegetable stir fry. Just going to be quiet because the wife is in bed, she's doing nights. For the Szechuan sauce, we need just some core key ingredients of liquids and herbs and spices. Key ingredient is to use the umami demi-glaze. I actually covered a video on this on how to make this. You can do this in advance. It's a super sauce to have in and just really pimps up a lot of dishes. But if you don't have this in, fear not. Just use some vegetable stock or some mushroom stock. You also need raw apple cider vinegar. If not this, you can use some rice vinegar, date molasses, some miso paste, mild chili powder or some red pepper flakes, Chinese 5 spice. Now this is brilliant, really essential. This is a combination of star anise, cinnamon, fennel seeds, black pepper and cloves, cayenne pepper. And then I'm using some Szechuan pepper. This isn't in the recipe cookbook, but it's a genuine Szechuan ingredient. For the vegetables, some fresh garlic and fresh ginger, which is for the sauce and for the chopped vegetables. Some mushrooms, 1 whole head of fresh broccoli, a carrot, a red pepper, red onion, and some spring onions. So, let's get going. And then here we have it, the Szechuan, tempeh and broccoli. Now when you actually look at that, it's pretty similar to the recipe. So pretty impressed really. So I mean, this is just an absolutely amazing way to do Chinese without the oil, salt, sugar, because a lot of Chinese food can be processed. But let's try the tempeh because I've never really tried this before. Oh wow. Get some of the mushroom in here. That's absolutely superb. The natural sweetness and the acidity, bit of spiciness, a bit of the numbness from the Szechuan pepper. That is absolutely amazing, and it's healthy. So really hope you're enjoying this show. The women have brought it home after 32 years of pain since I was crying with Gaza in 1990. The year 2022, the women finally did it for us. They brought football home. They won the Euros in extra time. It was absolutely an amazing game, and it's remarkable to see how the women's game has come on. So really hope you're enjoying this show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this show. Also turn on your notifications every Tuesdays at 4 o'clock. And also please do check out my other whole food, plant-based and vegan recipes. I've got a playlist here. I've also covered Dr. Gregor's recipes. It's an absolutely brilliant book. It's the How Not to Diet cookbook. Enjoy.